DeWalt FlexVolt 60 volt max handheld blower has a powerful and efficient brushless motor that delivers gas performance to clear job site debris at up to 423 cubic feet per minute and 129 miles per hour. Add power for heavy debris with the flat concentrator nozzle, increasing airspeed up to 175 miles per hour. DeWalt FlexVolt batteries automatically change voltage when you change tools, working with 20 volt max tools and chargers and providing longer runtime when used with 20 volt max tools. With no gas fumes when in use, the handheld blower is ideal for not only outdoor use, but also for indoor job site applications. DeWalt FlexVolt, power without gas.
This is the BNT25 rebar tire by BN Products USA. This cordless rebar tying tool is lightweight and compact for easy use. The unit can tie up to 2 number 4 rebar and is also perfect for wire mesh. The BNT25 can produce over 2,000 ties on a single charge. The kit comes complete with a sturdy carrying case, 4 spools of wire, 2 rechargeable batteries, a charging unit, and even a pair of wire cutters. Well, that's a look at the BNT25 rebar tire. For more information and to find a distributor near you, visit bnproducts.com.
Y'all ready for this?
Good morning, my name is Thomas Selman, Product Manager for Cordless with Hilti North America. Really excited to talk about the T60A, our breakthrough innovation on the 36 volt platform. This is Hilti's first cordless SGS Max combi hammer, highest performing combi hammer in its class when you compare it against any corded or cordless solution out in the market. It is a highly versatile tool, so besides drilling, light braking applications such as driving stakes, digging and tamping are really exciting. So make sure to get your hands on this tool and reach out to your account manager.